toenails. So this is gonna hopefully make his life. Hey guys, it's Dr. Carter here at Lexington Podiatry, and we've got an ingrown toenail today. It's a pretty run-of-the-mill ingrown, but he's been through it with this one. He's seen other providers in the area, and all they would do is clip it back. So he didn't even really know there was a way to permanently destroy part of the toenail so it never grows back again. So we're gonna fix them up today. We've already got him numbed and painted orange. Orange is his color, with a few blue purple marks. I'm gonna squeeze the toe, force all the blood flow down, and put the tourniquet on. Let's test you again. I cheated off camera. I tested him. He's still numb. Perfect. If you feel anything besides pressure, my dear, let me know. Okay. We're gonna loosen it. I have my line drawn. This is his handiwork, so we've told him not to be a bathroom surgeon anymore. And with this procedure, hopefully he won't have to. You know, as we get older, it's harder and harder to get our feet up to where we want them, to be able to see them, to have the hand strength to be able to clip our toenails. So this is gonna hopefully make his life better. Perfect, look at that. Wow. And you see what was left over in your skin that crazy. You couldn't get to because it's just hard. I agree. Perfect. Now, I have one little piece down there that I didn't get. So, I'm gonna go back and clip. And it comes right out. If we leave that piece behind, then it can cause an infection pretty easy, so. All right, this is our chemical, sodium hydroxide, that we put in there. If we don't do this part, the nail will grow back just the way that it was. And we would have to do this year after year. So the goal of this is one and done. There is a 10% chance that the nail grows back despite doing this. I just can't predict necessarily or can't make your body take the chemical. I want it to, but it could not. If something people don't know too, if we do it once and it comes back, I can still do it again. Oh. I can do it as many times as we need to for it to work. So once again, that's never ever the intention, but I had a lady not too long ago say, oh my gosh, I'm gonna choke. But she said, oh my gosh, I thought I had to live with this. Real life choking here, people. All right, we're gonna neutralize it with vinegar, wipe it off, and put a dressing on. Look at that, so simple. Oh, ointment, goop it on there this first day because we really don't want it to stick. Sometimes it can be really, really painful if the blood dries on here and you try to get it off without soaking it. So we don't want that to happen. I put the dressing on pretty snug today just to be sure. Perfect. And then there's one part nobody else does, and this is what makes sure that it heals. Do you know what this is? No. All right. This is what makes sure that it heals. There we go. Ta-da! Perfect. All right, guys, there you have it. There's always an option for an ingrown toenail, so don't let anybody tell you they can't fix it. Come here, let us give you your options, okay? Thanks for watching.